If you're looking for a way to provide substantive feedback to your student that may increase engagement and also promote community in your online classes in a matter of seconds, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how to use one simple prompt in either Canva, ChatGPT, or Google Gemini to create custom emoji-style feedback stickers that look like you. We're also going to talk about why these stickers are more than just cute. Used well, they can support connection, encouragement, feedback, and student engagement. These are the kind of stickers I'm talking about. Now, before anyone panics and says, "But I teach adults," yes, this works for adult learners too. Adults like encouragement. We just call it professional recognition, so nobody has to admit they still want that gold star. I'm Chris. Welcome to the AI Professor. I'm here to help educators make sense of AI so you can use it with confidence in your classroom. And today, we're not using AI to replace your teaching. We're going to use AI to bring more of your personality into your teaching. Students have modules, they have due dates, they have rubrics, they have announcements, but sometimes they don't feel like there's a real person behind the course. That's where small touches like these stickers can help. This is not really a video about stickers, it's truly a video about connection. In online learning especially, students can feel disconnected from their professor. Instructor presence helps online students feel connected, supported, and motivated, which matters because online learners may not naturally see or interact with the instructor the way they would in a face-to-face class. So when students see your face, hear your voice, receive a personalized comment, or even see a little sticker that clearly came from you, it sends a message. A message, I'm here, I saw you, I noticed your effort. And no, a sticker does not replace actual feedback. Please don't slap brilliant on a paper with no explanation and call it pedagogy. The sticker calls attention, the comment does the teaching, and that's the whole point. A 2021 study on praise in college courses found that simple praise messages improve assignment submission rates and course grades compared with no treatment and compared with a more utilitarian reminder type message. The study found measurable benefits in actual college courses, including an estimated increase in the percentage of students earning passing grades. So reinforcement helps students know what they did right, and that can encourage them to keep going. But feedback also has to move learning forward. A 2024 review on effective student feedback in higher education explained that feedback should support student motivation, engagement, self-reflected learning, and performance. It also discusses Feedforward, which means feedback should not only tell students what happened on the last assignment, it should help them understand what to do next. That's where these stickers can actually be useful. A sticker that says, "Good job," is nice. A sticker that says "strong evidence" next to a comment explaining why that evidence worked is better. A sticker that says "excellent point" next to a discussion tells students this is the kind of thinking I want you to repeat. So the formula is simple. The sticker grabs the attention, and then your feedback explains the skill. The feed forward tells students what to do next. A 2025 study of graduate students found that respondents reported digital badges increased engagement and confidence, especially around science and communication skills. Now, let me be clear, a feedback sticker is not the same thing as a formal digital badge. A sticker that says A+ effort is not a credential, but the badge research does support the broader idea that visual recognition can motivate adult learners. More colleges are paying attention to regular and substantive interaction in online courses. Some federal distance education rules have come out recently where substantive interaction includes things like direct instruction, responding to content questions, facilitating discussions, and assessing or providing feedback on student coursework. The regulation also says interaction should be predictable, scheduled, and connected to student academic engagement and success. So no, a sticker does not check that whole box by itself. We can't hand off a cartoon version of ourselves as a federal compliance burden, but a sticker paired with meaningful instructor-initiated feedback can support the kind of presence and interaction we should already be building into our courses, especially if you're teaching online or hybrid. So let's make some stickers. You can use ChatGPT images, you can use Gemini, you can use whatever AI image tool you already have access to. The goal is to create a reusable set of positive, classroom-appropriate stickers that look like you and match your teaching personality. You can use them in assignment feedback, in announcements, in discussion replies, in your slides, in your lecture videos, in your weekly check-ins, or even in printed handouts. Here is one important step. If you want the stickers to actually look like you, upload a few reference photos first. I like to use at least 5. You're going to want to use clear photos with different angles of your face, different expressions, maybe one smiling at the camera, a side angle, one maybe a full body or a waist up photo, and one with the hairstyle you actually wear most often. Because if you only describe yourself with words, AI is going to make its best guess. And sometimes its best guess is a generic woman who once taught a seminar. So give it reference photos. Then you're going to tell the AI, use these photos as reference for the same person, keep the facial features, hair color, hairstyle, and overall likeness consistent, but turn the person into a clear cartoon emoji-style sticker character. So here's the prompt that I would use. I'm going to share this in the description, so don't freak out. You can copy it there. We're going to create 9 stickers in a 3x3 grid. And these emoji style stickers can then be cut and used individually. And this prompt is going to tell it specifically what I want out of these 9 emoji stickers. And you can change the description of which type of stickers you like based on maybe the class you're teaching. You can change the wording in this prompt to adapt to what you like to use in yours. So I had a couple of specific designs like good job with my face and a thumbs up. I had A+ effort. I think I mentioned earlier, which is a great one, is like strong evidence, especially if you're teaching a college class. This backs up that they use great research work. There's more generic ones like impressive work, excellent point, which you could use in a discussion point or in response to an argument the student used with you. I also like for my announcements one that has good morning and it has me holding a cup of coffee. I have some for like enjoy your spring break because I'm trying to make that connection with my students, or maybe here's one for Thanksgiving break. But you can change these based on what type of you want to use in your classroom, or some of those typical announcements or things that you use every single semester. Now, once the tool generates your stickers, you're going to want to check 3 things. First, you're going to want to check the spelling. AI image tools have improved significantly, but sometimes they still spell like they were a 2-year-old. And so next, you're going to check for character consistency. The purpose of these stickers is that you want them to look like you. So you don't want them to look like 9 different people. And the third thing is you want to check the language. If Thanksgiving vibes doesn't sound like you, change it. You might create stickers that say like great analysis or keep going or you're improving. So you want them to sound like you because that's the point. You want it to be as if you are speaking to the students directly. They connect encouragement to their academic behavior. So you can use these in face-to-face classes too. You can print them out on sticker paper, and if you have a Cricut or something, you can cut them yourselves. You can also send them off to a printing company. If someone improves after struggling, you might give them a keep going or you're improving sticker. It's a small token, but these small moments are often what students remember. I do have to say there's a few warnings here. Don't use these instead of that meaningful feedback. I wouldn't recommend making sarcastic stickers like, did you read the instructions? Bless your thesis statement. You want to keep those thoughts between you, your coffee, and whatever remains of your patients. And don't overuse them. If every student gets 5 stickers every week, the stickers kind of become like wallpaper and they don't have the benefits. You want to use them to reinforce something specific. And lastly, please make sure your stickers are accessible. If you're using them online, you want to include text that has the same message as the feedback, so students using screen readers can also know the meaning of the stickers. Stickers aren't magical, they're just little images, but when you pair them with specific feedback, they become a visual cue. They help students know what you want them to repeat. They add instructor presence, and they make your course feel a little more human. They give you a simple way to encourage students without writing a feedback novel every time. Teaching isn't always about grading what students do wrong. It's also helping them recognize what they did right so they can do it again. I'll put the prompt in the description so you can copy and customize it. And I want to know from you, what sticker are you going to make first? Are you going to make one that says strong evidence or keep going or you're improving? If you have any other ideas for stickers, drop them in the comments because I may need to steal them for my own class, professionally, of course. If you want more practical ways to use AI without losing the human part of teaching, please subscribe to my channel. I'm new to YouTube and I really appreciate anyone who wants to go along on this journey with me. I'm just trying to share some actionable tips to make your teaching journey easier. I'll see you in the next video.